Hey there, how's it going everyone? Welcome back, Plant Abundance here. So I've got some exciting news to share with you guys. After many years of proliferating and propagating the perennial Merritt collard plant, I now have seeds available for purchase. If you've been following along on the channel for some time, then I'm sure you're already familiar with this plant. This has become one of our favorite greens to grow back here in the backyard food forest. The leaves are very tasty, especially in the cooler months. We love to throw them into our sautés, salads, smoothies. You can make kale chips out of them. And one of the best things about this plant is it can be propagated from cuttings, so you can easily proliferate and create many plants from just one. I myself started with just 5 seeds and 1 plant, and from that I've grown this into dozens of the Merritt collards. Like I said, they perennialized here on site. I've grown many from cuttings, I've grown many from seeds, and I've been satisfied every single time with the results. So that's why I'm now going to be offering this to you guys. Now, as with some of the other perennial greens growing in my garden, there can be a slight variation from what you see on my videos, as I'm growing many different varieties of amazing Brassica oleracea, so some of that DNA can get into the parentage, but you can get something just like I'm growing here, something even more amazing, or something not quite up to par. But each seed is going to have a unique expression, so a lot of opportunities here. With that being said, I can assure you that everything that I've grown from the seeds that I've collected from these plants have turned into something wonderful. Not only that, I've been getting a very high germination rate with these seeds, sometimes up to 100%. So if you're interested, there'll be a PayPal link that'll bring you to the order page down below this video, and you don't need any PayPal account in order to complete the purchase. Any debit card, credit card will work, and the cost is going to be $11.99. This is for 15 seeds that have been hand selected by myself. I harvest the seed pods at their peak readiness and hand select the seeds that are going to go into your seed packet. It's also going to come with some instructions to get going. As with some of the other varieties of perennial tree kales and collards that I grow back here, these will perennialize and overwinter in temperate climates. Otherwise, they can be overwintered in a greenhouse or grown as an annual. Another technique would be towards the end of fall or the beginning of winter, when things start to get really cool in the coldest climates, you can take your cuttings, pot those up, and keep them on a windowsill or a little hoop house and protect them from the snow and deep freezes. These plants have successfully survived down to 25 degrees Fahrenheit for short durations of time. I've never lost a plant due to the cold weather where I'm located, here in USDA Climate Zone 9B. And lastly, I do apologize to all my international friends out there, but at this time I'm only able to offer seeds to folks with US mainland addresses in the contiguous United States. And included in the price is the shipping, so there's no additional cost. And so with that, I just want to take a moment once again to thank everybody who's already purchased seeds from me. It's a great way to show support for the channel, and also a wonderful way to add some really unique varieties of tasty greens to your garden. So thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great weekend, and I'll be talking to you again real soon. Take care.